What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a look on top 3 bullish altcoins that I'm currently watching and on which, if certain conditions are met, I am planning to open a trading position. So yeah, if you are interested in that, definitely watch this video till the end. The first coin that I will show you in today's video is QTUM. About this coin, I already shared analysis in my public Discord group, and in that analysis we were just testing this resistance of this falling wedge. I said that to open here a long trade, there is really necessary to see a breakout and then a support confirmation. And here you can see we just had a breakout without the support confirmation, so the main condition for opening this long position wasn't met, so I wasn't opening here any trade. So right now you can see that we have here this fake out, but it doesn't mean that this setup is like completely invalid, because if there will be breakout and then a support confirmation with a breakout of this previous high, then this can give us, in my opinion, another really good opportunity to enter a potential long trade. The exact trade can then look, for example, like this. So stop loss in this case, you need to place somewhere back to this falling wedge. The entry will be above this high that we created during this fake out, and if there will be that support confirmation, as I said, this can be a really good opportunity for open a long position. The last take profit target in this case you can place either under this previous high or like under this previous high. So this can give you a potential trade with risk reward ratio like 14.58, which is, in my opinion, really good. So yeah, this is the first potential setup that you can currently take. Before this video continues, I just want to let you know that this YouTube channel is directly connected with my Discord trading group, where I am sharing everyday analysis on the altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you are interested in that, you can check it out, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Of course, with a trade like this, in which you are speculating for risk reward ratio like 14.5, there is really important to take multiple take profit targets. So definitely some of the profits take under this first bearish order block, which is between levels 3.99 and 3.837. So some of the profits you can, for example, take like under this previous lows, then for example under this bearish order block, then for example like under these highs, then under this high, and then you can save some back to the last take profit target. So in the end, the risk reward ratio will be like 10, 9.5, something like that, which is, in my opinion, really good. So yeah, definitely, as I said, keep an eye on this potential setup, because if this condition is met, I will be definitely thinking about opening some trading position. Another coin that I will show you in today's video is FIL. This coin, you can see right now, is also forming a falling wedge on the 12-hour chart, and also in the long time perspective, if we will, for example, switch to a daily time frame, you can see that this coin right now is really undervalued. So in my opinion, this is probably one of the best setups that you can currently find in the whole crypto market. But again, there are certain conditions that needs to be met before I'm entering any of my trades, so let's now take a look on it. Again, I want to see here a breakout with the support confirmation, because you don't want to see the exact same setup as we saw on that previous coin, because yeah, you can see there was just a fake out. So if there will be breakout and then support confirmation, this can actually be a good opportunity to open here a long trade. Stop loss in this case you need to place somewhere back to this falling wedge. So let's say the stop loss can be around like 9 or like 10% of the net market. Some of the profits you can take under this first bearish order block, which is between level 6.53 and 5.93, and then this is the best about this whole trade. The last take profit target you can actually put under this important resistance area, which is between levels 18.30 approximately and 17.22. Because if we will take a look, for example, on the daily time frame, you can see like above this previous high we have here like absolutely zero liquidity. So once we will get there, for the price it shouldn't be that big of a deal to do a bigger moves. So this potential setup is giving you a risk reward ratio like 23.06, which is again absolutely insane. In this video I am only showing you like really good trading setups. So even if you will take multiple take profit targets, which you definitely should in this setup, then yeah, the risk reward ratio will be probably still like above at least 15, and that's, in my opinion, really good. So yeah, this is another potential setup that you can currently watch. Also, I need to clarify something. I am saying that in case of a breakout and then support confirmation, I want to open here a long position, which is absolutely true, and this resistance area will be my main take profit target. However, in case of a support confirmation, there is of course nothing like 100% guarantee that we are actually gonna reach this last take profit target. And you can see that even if we are gonna reach this, for example, first bearish order block, which I think is highly probable, then this risk reward ratio is like 3.08, and like this trade itself is really good. So only, let's say, I don't know, you can save like around like 10% of the entire trade to the last take profit target, something like that, but rest of it I would definitely close somewhere in this area. And the last coin that I will show you in today's video is Dogecoin. Again, you can see we are forming here this falling wedge, so the setup will be quite similar as with the previous trade. So yeah, I'm waiting here for that breakout and then support confirmation. With this trade, we have here actually a really good spot where we can place our stop loss, because you can see we have here like this previous lows. So if you will place the stop loss just under that, this can be, in my opinion, the best possible stop loss that you can currently get. And probably like the first main take profit target can be this bearish order block, which is between level 0.1688 and 0.1636. Or if you want to again speculate for really high risk reward ratio, you can place the last take profit targets above this bearish order block, which is between level 0.340 and 0.290. And the reason why I am placing the last take profit target above this order block and not under is that, in my opinion, if we are gonna test this area, then there is, in my opinion, pretty high probability that we will just swipe the liquidity above. So for the price, it shouldn't be that big of a deal to do a bigger moves. So yeah, again, in this case, take multiple take profit targets. Some of the profits definitely under this bearish order block, then also under this second bearish order block somewhere in this area, and then yeah, you can save some back to the last take profit target. And this trade is actually having risk reward ratio like 26.5, which is so far the best setup that we currently had in this video. But again, even if we are gonna, let's say, take the liquidity in this first bearish order block, this is risk reward ratio like 5.1, and that's, in my opinion, like, again, absolutely insane trade. So yeah, you don't even have to speculate for like these high take profit targets, and if you want to have, let's say, more of a short-term setup, then you can trade here, for example, something like this. If you want to know about all altcoins that I'm currently watching and on which I am planning to open some trading positions, definitely don't forget to join my Discord trading group. It's completely free, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. But yeah, this will be all from me for today, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.